Hey there everyone! Welcome back to this video series about the Vistaprint website builder. I'm Ellen Greer, a product manager here at Vistaprint Digital. Last time I talked with you about elements and how they're the basic building blocks of your website. Today we're going to talk about rearranging those elements and really customizing the layout of your site. So here we are with some text elements and an image element. These text elements are contained in a column, which is the blue square that you can see outlining this area. You can add as many elements as you want to a column using the green plus button, just like we did last time. So one of the things I want to show you is about rearranging elements within a column. Right here, we're in this text element, and there's a move button. When I click this, it exposes all the different drop points on the page where I can drop that piece of text that I'm moving. So you can see there's a drop point here, over here, over here. There's more farther up on the page. All of those green points are going to be drop zones for this piece of text. I'm going to put it right there so it's immediately below the paragraph and still within the same column. But actually I don't love how it looks. I can go in and use the move button again. I can also click undo. Either way works. So as you can see, both of these text elements are in this one column. You can move them within the column, you can move them to other columns. You can also pick up and move entire columns as well. So right here in the column settings, there's an identical move button to move the column, and this highlights more of those drop zones where you can put the column. So let's put it over here to the right of the image. Both of these columns are contained in something bigger, which is called a block. So the block for us is this entire bright orange area. It's the full width of the site, and you can see it's also surrounded by a blue outline, and it has this blue block toolbar. So if you want to move a block, it's really easy. You can move a block up or move a block down. So we've just moved our block to be right there at the top of the website. Once again, you can click undo to reverse your change, or click move block down, and that's going to move it below. Also, you can find blocks pre-designed for you over here on the left in the Add Content menu. These blocks are organized by type. For example, text or photos and videos. I find the block I want, and then I can drag it over onto my page. You'll see different drop zones highlighted. I want to put this block right here. Now I can further customize this block, or if it turns out I don't really love it, I can just delete it. So today we learned about moving elements within a column. We learned that columns contain elements. We learned about moving columns. We learned that blocks contain columns, and we learned how to move blocks. So stay tuned for the next episode in which we talk about global changes that are going to really update the entire look and feel of your site. Thanks very much, and see y'all later.